Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Marwah's Kitchen. Today, I have an extra special guest, my sister.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here's me. My name is Leenah. Marwah, what are we making today?
Today we're making iced pumpkin cookies. Leenah, let's tell everybody what the ingredients are, okay?
I forgot to say Bismillah.
Oops. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here are the ingredients that you need. Okay, so we have some baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Some ground cloves and some ground cinnamon and some ground nutmeg.
And one egg and some vanilla and some soup and some flour
And these
and
two.
some sugar
And this.
and some butter.
And this is pumpkin. Last time, we went to the farm. We bought a pumpkin, and my mom cooked the seeds. And then my mom cooked it, and she mushed it up. We mushed up the pumpkin, and then we made it into pumpkin puree.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Where's the flour?
And she's just gonna use a scoop because it's kind of hard for her because she's really small and she's only 3 years old. That's okay. You keep going, okay? Oops. Now I'm gonna give her the rest of the dry ingredients, okay? So that's okay, Leenah. Leenah, here. Put this in.
So I have to do it.
With 2 hands, okay, good. And now we're gonna add this. Adding all these yummy spices.
Ew.
It's not spicy. Oh, the nutmeg was so sticky. Okay,
Now we're gonna whisk it up. Oh, I'll whisk it.
very slowly, okay? I'll hold the bowl. So we're gonna add the wet ingredients into the mixer. So now we're gonna add the butter. So I'm just gonna lift this up, and I'm gonna use a small spatula to scrape the butter in.
Well, let's add the sugar now.
Okay. And be careful so you don't want it to spill. Now we're gonna mix it on medium speed until it's mixed. Okay, that looks ready. Just gonna unlock it and lift it up. Whoa, looks like dough. Now I'm gonna add the vanilla and 1 egg. So first I'm gonna add the vanilla. And you might need an apron if you need an apron. And now I'm gonna crack the egg. Okay, so the last wet ingredient, and we're gonna add the pumpkin. But first we're gonna mix this on medium speed until it's combined. She's just playing with the flour. And now it's all mixed and combined. Now we're just gonna add the pumpkin puree.
Is it time to put in dry ingredients?
In a minute. Just scraping this bowl. You just mix until it's combined.
We're gonna put in the dry ingredients. Okay, is it this?
Mix it slowly until it's combined.
Now the dough is ready to put in the oven. It looks so yummy. See, I'm gonna taste some.
Taste some.
Big boy.
That's good. It's so good. I want to eat the whole batter.
Delicious.
We're going to use the scoop to put the dough onto the tray. Leenah, are you ready? Okay, so...
And after most one is my turn. That's a big lump.
Now I'm just going to scrape it and then put it on the tray. And it's really sticky. It's kind of sticky, so...
I did one. Now to do some more.
So we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. It's time to make the icing for our cookies. So we have some icing sugar and some milk.
And some vanilla and some melted butter. Wow.
Gently stir it until it looks like icing.
Now I think it's too thick. Let's add some more milk.
Okay, let's add
Some more
milk.
Our cookies came out of the oven. We decided to make our icing orange. That's the color of the pumpkin liquid.
So we have some orange food coloring here and the glaze that we already made. So we're going to take the spoon and take a little bit, scrape it on the side, and then just drizzle it over the cookies, okay? Now we get to eat one. Bismillah.
I'm gonna take the one that has some more.
Yum. That was yummy. Yeah, what do you think?
I think thumbs up.
Jazakallah khair for watching.
See you guys next time. Now we're gonna make it for 800 degrees.
Not 800 degrees. Here are the ingredients that we need.
I just farted.